gonna show you guys outside. Come on. Let's look at the window real quick. Look at the window, how it is. So you guys can see how it is outside. You see that? That's ice on the window. And it's still snowing, guys. Wait, show my feet, hold on. So they can understand how deep the snow is. Like, my feet are in the snow right now. You see how deep that is? Look at the Jeep. Look at the Jeep, people.
Oh my God, look at it's even deeper here. Look at this.
Holy crap. Hold on. We're gonna try to shovel this a little.
Oh my God. It looks so pretty when it's all flat.
And now,
Cleveland life.
And now for the Puerto Rican sketch that everybody does. Frío. Aquí no está frío. Está bueno, eh. ¿Para qué tú quieres ir para atrás para Florida? Esto está bueno. Esto es como la arena en la playa, pues. Ve arena, tenemos nieve. Let's go. Down the street, you crazy girl? Naomi's having her little girl experience. You run so slow. Oh, how's it feel? Look at this, guys. Come here, babe. So this is Cleveland, guys, for you guys. It's literally a snowstorm right now. Cleveland vlogs right here. There's literally a snowstorm right now. We're walking in the middle of the street, guys.
I can't keep my eyes open because the snow gets in it.
I know.
We're walking the wrong way because
yeah, the snowflakes are hitting us in the face, people. We are currently in a snowstorm right now. Wow. But it's nice. Like, it's cold, people, but it's really, really nice. Like, if you guys was to see this, snow's really beautiful. We got I got two hoodies on. Naomi got two hoodies. It's nice. Look at the school. All the white. When you don't step on the snow, how beautiful and perfect it looks. Go over there, babe. Go step on it. Look.
And that's just at the top, because if you go like this, you get to the floor.
That's crazy. And there's literally ice under this. Hey, babe, right? Team G&J right there.
I did a messed up heart. Oh look, they turned on the little lights.
What lights? How the heck did they turn on? Wow. Naomi's drawing a heart. Huh?
Team.
Team G&J, guys, right there. All right, guys. So it's been super long since I've done a snow angel, and I'm just gonna go right there in that perfect little spot where the light's shining, and I'm just gonna make a snow angel. Here we go, guys. Here goes nothing. Point to a circle, babe. Here I go.
It was not as soft as you thought.
Oh my butt. Oh, I think I'm gonna get frostbite. I think I'm gonna get frostbite in my butt.
Dummy.
I know you guys are probably saying, what the heck does he have on? Well, I have a face mask on because I am currently as we speak, building a, I don't know what you guys want to call it, like an igloo or a snow house, or I don't know, guys, but well, we could call it a snow fort. That's what I'm building right now. I'm building this for my son. It is like 12 o'clock at night, and I'm out here shoveling. The snowstorm already stopped, and I'm just shoveling like the whole driveway. Like I'm literally, look, I'm gonna show you guys, hold on. Like I've literally, that's the little shovel right there I'm using. I've literally grabbed all the snow from the driveway. Like this is the front of the house, so I got all the way up to here, as you guys can see right there. I've literally grabbed all this snow from here, all the driveway, all this little sidewalk, little path, all this snow, guys. And remind you, it's snow like I think like it was like 3 feet of snow, no lie. All that snow that you guys are seeing that's been taken out, all that snow is gone into there. I'll say it's like up to my waist. Yeah, it's like up to my waist, guys. But this is what I've gotten so far. Things we do for our kids. I want to surprise my son tomorrow. I want to see his reaction, guys. He's never been in the snow, you know, because when we left from Florida, he was still a baby. So all this snow right here, I literally just grabbed all this snow and put it there. All this snow, I cleaned this right here, put it there. I know my father-in-law, he's gonna love it. He's gonna be like, damn, I don't gotta plow tomorrow, I don't gotta shovel no snow. But you know, us parents, we do some crazy stuff for our kids. I got all this snow from the side of the garage, all this snow all the way back here, guys. From all the way over here, I shoveled all this snow and took it right there. And that's not even tall enough. But remember, guys, I'm building it sideways and high at the same time. I want it to be big all the way around. So I just wanted to show you guys my little progress. Yeah, that's basically what I have right now. So I just want to see his reaction. I just want to see his reaction tomorrow. And it's cold right now. It says the temperature is at 6 degrees, but it supposedly feels like -2. So I don't know how that works, but I'm working with it. I got 2 hoodies, my face mask, I got my wife's gloves, and I think that's all I need. Oh, and the shovel, of course. I'll talk to you guys later. Well, better yet, tomorrow. Hello, people. Welcome back to another vlog. Well, we're still in the same vlog. I keep forgetting. So I finally finished building the fort. As you guys can see, I look like a snowman. And we're gonna get Jaden ready. He's right behind you. Point at him, babe. And we're gonna see his reaction to his new little fort. Yeah. Alright, Jaden, you gonna see your little house? Yeah. Go, go, go. Yeah. Look at your little house. Oh, it's big. It's big, yeah. You see it? Go in. You gotta go in. Go in. I'm gonna show you. Here. Got stuck. Hold this. Hold this. I'm gonna show you. Wait, let me go in first. Let me go in first. Move. Move. I'm gonna go in first.
Get on your knees.
Hey, come here. Come here. You gotta lay down. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Oh, Jaden, you're hilarious. Jaden, no. Go inside. Get on your knees. Crawl. You're the camera.
Come on. Come in, babe. Yeah, you do. I fit and I'm bigger than you. Come on. Come on. Come in. You like it? You like it?
Yeah. Whoa. That's a big house. It is a big. Oh, sorry.
For him, he can't even stand in here.
Párate.
Get up.
Look at this.
Look at this. You like it?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, yes. Yes.
This is a little fort, people. Jaden, when you grow up, you're gonna look at this video and say, wow, Daddy built me a fort. Okay?
Yes. That's so cool.
You like it?
Yes, I want to like that.
Oh, you wanna play?
To make a snow angel.
You wanna go outside? Look, he got a little window and everything.
Oh,
There's the door.
no, don't take these off.
No, you gotta keep. Nope, you gotta keep your gloves on. You gotta keep your.
Play with these on. Well,
wow. Look, guys, I made the fort so big that I could fit in it. Jaden and Naomi's in here.
He wants to go outside.
You wanna go outside?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let mommy go out first. Let's see how Naomi's gonna get out. Go.
Right there.
There you go, guys. The fort's big, guys. I'm in here. I'm sitting down like normal. I built this just for Jaden. Yeah, I'm on the vlog. I'm in the vlog and I'm in my new apartment. Hey, I'm not homeless no more, babe. Babe! Let me go out here. Hi!
Hi, come on.
Okay. Look at this. It's a lot of snow. Hey guys, you know you from up north when you wearing socks playing in the snow. I mean wearing flip-flops so you playing in the snow. What, you wanna break your fort? I gotta break it anyways, guys. I built this and I literally gotta break it cause I built it right in front of the furnace. I don't know what you wanna call that. And my father-in-law just seen it and he got pissed because he said I could mess up his furnace and all this other stuff. So I just built this so he could get in real quick, you know, play with it. And I gotta take it down.
I'll break it down.
All that work for nothing.
One whole night.
Here?
Yes.
Let's go on top of the world.
I'm scared. Don't be scared, Fatty. He's the cutest thing ever. Yeah. You slay down.
Me?
Yes.
You want me to do it?
Yes.
Alright guys, here we go! Oh shit!
That made the funniest sound ever.
Watch out, Jaden! Oh shit! Let's go inside, hurry!